I was introduced into Yiddish because of Russian. What sounds ridiculous, but this is true. My father, when I was 4, he used to read me Sholem Aleichem stories. It's, I think, Eisenbahngeschichte or something like that. Train stories. It's really great. People are sitting in the train and they are just talking, and there is always someone who is the storyteller, and he's talking, and everyone is listening. Someone is interrupting, then someone else is interrupting, and then they're coming back to the story. It's beautiful written, and I found the stories really funny for myself, even if I was only 4, so I didn't understand the whole background. I didn't understand the funny Jewish jokes about Poles, because I just didn't know why they are laughing about us. But that was my meeting with Jews. And that was also my first introduction into Yiddish, even if I didn't know that it was written originally in Yiddish. I found out that years later. And I was surprised, because in Russian it sounds so beautiful, so magic.
What was it like when you finally got to read it in Yiddish?
Well, it was something big. It was something really important. And even today, when I'm watching some Yiddish movies like the TV Diary Mail, it's moving for me. It's moving also because I always remember that I was introduced into Yiddish through Sholem Aleichem. So always when I'm watching something or when I'm reading something what is connected to Sholem Aleichem, I remember that. And I would never forget, because I'm so grateful to this writer.